Come here, Sams. Good evening. It is May the 11th, 2020. It is 12:09. This is going to be your midnight report. I just had two more go off, but I'm going to wait and put them in the morning, okay? There was a 4.5. They've got it. Southern California. All right. 11 miles southeast of OCOTILLO, well, WELL, at 6 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 4.4, downgraded it to a 4.5, Southern California. They've got it 19 miles south of Salton City. Salton City, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just tired. At 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.7 Washington. They've got that 2 miles southwest of Oak Harbor at 17 miles in depth. A 2.6, according to the EMSC, downgraded to a 2.4. Puget Sound, they've got it 2 miles southwest of Oak Harbor at 17.4 miles in depth. Now, there's a big difference there, okay? A 4.7 for the USGS and a 2.4 for the EMSC. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 3.9 Minahasa, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. EMSC said there was a 4.3 Bali region, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. It also came across on the BMKG as a 4.3 Bali region, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. It did not show up on USGS. There was, according to the EMSC, a 3.4. They upgraded that to a 3.8, island of Hawaii, 9 miles northeast of Bahala at 21.7 miles in depth. All right, now USGS has got it at a 3.4, Hawaii, 5 miles northeast of Bahala at 20 miles in depth. Hey, William, how are you, sweetie? All right, now there was a 3.8 Lombok region, Indonesia. Oh, by the way, on that last one, the 3.4, according to USGS, you'll get both links of EMSC and USGS. Next one was the 3.8 Lombok region, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.6 off the coast of Colombo, Chile at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0, the region of Metropolitan, Chile, and that came in at 43.5 miles in depth. According to the USGS and the EMSC, they totally agree. Thank you, sweetie. I can use all the blessings I can get. According to the USGS, EMSC, they totally agree. So I'm just going to give you USGS. There was a 4.5 near the coast, west coast of Colombo, Chile. Colombia. Guys, I am so sorry. I'm really having a hard time focusing tonight. Let me try that again. USGS, EMSC both agree. There was a 4.5 near the west coast of Colombia. They've got it 12 miles northwest of ARGELIA, Colombia, at 57 miles in depth. All right, there was a 3.9 near the coast of Colombia also, and they got that at 49 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Bio, Chile. They've got it in Indonesia at 7.4 miles in depth. EMSC, USGS both agreed on the magnitude on this one, but they sure didn't agree on the depth. USGS said there was a 4.6 south of Fiji Islands. They've got it 170 miles south of NDOI Islands at 211 miles in depth. EMSC has it 304 miles southwest of Nuku, and UKU at 343.6 miles in depth. Now that's a big difference, okay? You'll have both links. There was, according to the USGS, a 3.0, Southern California, okay? They've got at the same location as that 4.5, 11 miles southeast of OTILLO, well, WELL. They've got it at 5 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 3.0, downgraded that to a 2.8, Southern California. They've got it 20 miles south of Salton City at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.6, according to the USGS and EMSC, southeast of Honshu, Japan. USGS has got it 6 miles in depth. They've got it Izu Islands region, okay? They both agreed on the depth and the magnitude. All right, there was a 4.4 Banda C, according to the USGS and the EMSC, 162 miles northwest of SAUMLAKI at 6 miles in depth. I only gave you the USGS because EMSC and USGS agreed. Here's one for the books. I've never had one here, okay? USGS said there was a 3.1 Southern Italy. Guess where it's at? They've got it 4 miles northeast of Vatican City at 6 miles in depth. The EMSC said it was a 3.3, downgraded it to a 2.6, Southern Italy. They've got it 4 miles south of PARMA, Italy, at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. I've never had one at Vatican City before, guys, ever. So let me copy this. I'm going to put all these links into the description box. And like I said, I'm sorry, I'm just real sleepy tonight. I need to get some rest, and it's been a very busy day. Yes, it was interesting, Bill. I've had Italy, cities in Italy, but never the Vatican City. Let me go ahead and copy this and paste this into description. But the link is there. It says Vatican City, Vatican. Unreal. All right, we're going to save these and put it into YouTube. They're now there. Now we're going to copy this and put it into community. Like I said, I'm sorry for the screw up on talking tonight. It's been a long day. And I've also got 2 more earthquakes that just happened. But I'll get to those in the morning if you guys don't mind. I had to cut off a point someplace. And it looked like 4.1 Banda C, but I'm not sure. I need to go check that. And then a 2-pointer, I'll get to it in the morning. I will save the tweet. Yeah, 4.1 Banda C. All right. That's what I have for right now, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there, okay? Sending you guys much love. 2 thumbs up. William, thanks for keeping me company, sweetie. Sending you a virtual hug. All right? You're totally, totally awesome. I hope you know that. All links are in the description box. All links will be in the community section because YouTube is just not posting, okay? Up to 24 hours. Have yourself a great one, guys. Please be safe out there. Sweet dreams and dream soft.